Takes a lot of sunsets. I've seen a desert sky like it's on fire out in Arizona. I struck gold when I rolled out to California, Rocky Mountain High, out looking for a new horizon. Midnight riding wherever the wind blows, like a highway desperado. These blues.
Ai que grande! Este é over, hein?
É over.
Deixa isso! Opa! Cuidado! Não perca este cara!
Ô João, quer estar no couch?
Couch!
You wanna be a couch potato?
Pô, já me dei as mãos, bro.
This one, what's this on? 19?
I wanna go home.
Well, if you wanna find me, I'll be out west. I'll be turning up a good time with bad company. I got a shotgun angel ready to ride right next to me. Wide open road.
Oh my god, dude, I'm on my back end.
Holy! I'm in my fucking backing.
Holy shit, I haven't seen this back end. Oh, she's going
Good.
No. Tell him I'm on the fish. I'll tell him. Tell him to come on the right side. I'm falling into a fish. Tell him to come on this side, please. Yeah. I'm far as shit, dude.
All right, we're about to get pulled over by state police, and Tony's on a fish. And on this side, Mario's on a fish on the fly. Landing fish.
Damn. I think I see who fly. Who says flies? I'm catching big fish. Oh my god. You work it. Can you read the number? Tony, you go with pounds with me. What do you think? Here, go on. Hurry up. Levanta.
35, 40,
Easy.
35 pounds.
Easy, 30 pounds.
I say minimum 30.
Worth it, bro.
Hey,
You ready to go, baby? Yeah.
I'll be out west.
Já não te cansas de apanhar peixe, homem? Porra! Já basta!
we'll drop the fish.
Foi, corta a linha, caraças. Ele apanhar peixe.
You stopped it, man?
My 20th fish.
Ele não para, man. Frank, let's go home.
My fucking hands hurt.
Mais Frank.
I can't take another fish.
Frank, enough, dude.
Can't. 21 or 20, Mary? I lost count.
I don't know, bro. Ai, meu Deus.
I can't so...
Mostra o thumb. Let me see the stripe of thumb. Mostra o stripe of thumb. Ai, o stripe of thumb. Oh, my God. Toma.
Tudo isso.
Nice. Ele disse,
Oh my God, he's on the fucking...
ele disse assim, that's the lure. That's the lure of the freaking rod. Olha que a tua mãe disse que estavas a perder o peixe. Vamos lá ver se tu perdes o agora. Aí que ele vai perder. Sai daí, Tom, que não vejo nada. Ele vai perdê-lo. Ai, é que ele vai perdê-lo. Ele vai perdê-lo.
Wherever the wind blows, like a highway desperado. These blues these days still ain't slowing down. Hit the ground, run it down. Every town wherever the wheels go. Can't stop, can't change. Every cowboy knows you can't hang your hat in just one place. And you're a highway desperado. I'll be turning up a good time with bad company. I got a shotgun angel ready to ride right next to me. Wide open road, the Carolina coast, maybe San Antonio, wherever the wind blows like a highway desperado. These boots these days still ain't slowing down. Hit the ground, run it down every time the town, wherever the wheels go. Can't stop, can't change. Every cowboy knows you can't hang your hat in just one place when you're a highway desperado. Yeah, highway desperado. Rocky Mountain High, I'm looking for a new horizon. The Carolina coast, maybe San Antonio, wherever the wind blows. These boots these days still ain't slowing down. Hit the ground.
Oh man! It won't come up, dude. That's a big fish. That's definitely a big fish, yo. Oh my god!
Holy shit.
Get the net, get the net, get the net. I want to lose it. Get the net. What do you think, 40?
Yeah. You want to quick measure them? Nah. Oh wow. What a sardine. Yep.
Yeah, bro.
I chased a lot of sunsets. I've seen a desert sky like it's on fire out in Arizona. I struck gold when I rolled out to California, Rocky Mountain High, looking for a new horizon.
Yeah, what'd you get?
Got a clam.
Why are you doing that with your face? Do that thing with your face. What is that? Yeah.
Down, hit the ground, run it down every time the town, wherever the wheels go. Can't stop, can't change. Every cowboy knows you can't hang your hat in just one place. You're a highway desperado. Well, if you wanna find me, I'll be turning up a good time with bad company. I got a shotgun angel ready to ride right next to me. Wide open road, the Carolina coast, maybe San Antonio, wherever the wind blows like a highway desperado. These boots these days still ain't slowing down. Hit the ground, run it down every time the town, wherever the wheels go. Can't stop, can't change. Every cowboy knows you can't
adrenaline is on. What you got there, buddy? Oh, a cat. It's a cat. Dude, he got another cat. That's the cat man. Dude, it's a cat. Let me see. Put it up to. Dude, he just caught. Let me see. You see his eye, bro. He just caught a cat.
The small one.
Yeah, but it's a cat. That counts like 5. Ooh, there he goes. Or is that you?
Want my picture? Here you go.
Bye, cat. Good job, man.